Today we're doing a review on this desk and wall file organizer. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. As I open it up, I do see the instructions, and it should be simple to follow. Pulling out the dividers, I noticed that the material that they use seems like it's going to be very long lasting. It's made of a durable plastic material. Now it does come with two different hooks. You have the one hooks where you can put it on a filing cabinet on the side, or you can put it to the wall. You also can display it on the desktop because it has these silicone feet that make it stay in place. Let me show you the desktop first. Now this does measure almost 14 inches by almost 10 inches. And the dividers are easy to place in the slot. And no tool is needed in order to put this all together. It will come with 5 separate dividers. And as you see, it's perfect on the desktop. Very organized. Now here, let me display it on the side of my filing cabinet that I have. I kind of did it a little different because I wanted to display it as a floating shelves. Really, how you display it will depend on how you have the dividers put into the filing cabinet bottom. It's so easy. Now look at that. You can display anything. It's easy reachable on your desktop, on the wall, or here on the side of the filing cabinet.